It's raining, quick, come in. So when you come into Redmayne's, it all seems very peaceful and quiet, but as we go to the United States in 2 weeks' time, we're very, very busy. So join me and have a look at what goes on in a tailoring shop just before we go to America. This is a nice picture of Peter, who's downstairs, very, very busy. And Molly, as you know, she's downstairs, very, very busy. This is the cutting room, which is a very busy room. Come and have a look. So just before we go to the US, we always have lots of things that we need to do. And it's always busy, thank God. We're quickly cutting jobs that will get turned into bastes. Hear that cutting sound? And they'll be tried on when we're there. We're also busy finishing jobs that were tried on the last trip, to get them finished and shipped in time for our visit. Now we've got the coat makers downstairs. We also have some coat makers down in London, and you can see that there are these parcels here along the floor. They're all going off to makers to get them all prepared for fittings. And I've got to quickly cut out this job. Olivia is busy trimming. Let them know what you're trimming, Livy.
So I'm currently doing collar canvas. So yeah, everything's done on the bias, so that's what I'm currently doing.
So the trimming is what we call the linings and the buttons and the twists. So what Livy's cutting there is collar canvas, and it's cut on the bias so it can be shaped around the collar. William is cutting Demet, which is part of the very soft chest construction. We have different shears that we use for these because some of them are very, very hard, especially collar canvases and body canvases and things like that. So here's, I will hide the label, but the chap, every person that we make for has their work ticket, and they have the printed label which is sewn inside. And these are parts of the trimming, so there'll be the lining and body canvas, but we've got pocketing, Cilicia, linen, Melton that we use for the undercollar, the hair cloth, Demet, and this lovely sexy stuff is called hair cloth, and it just gives the right amount of texture in the chest. Every one of these gets trimmed up individually because there will be choices from the clients for linings, etc. Also, some people will have thinner wadding or no wadding in the shoulders, or if somebody's particularly sloped, then we'll put a bit more in there. So it's very important that every stage is followed when we're working. So this job is complete almost in its making process. So this is waiting to be finished. So we've got to get this finished in the next few days, pressed, buttoned, QC'd, properly checked over. You can see all the long seams and everything inside here. These are all to be felled by hand. All the buttonholes are to be done by hand. The gorge, everything is to be drawn together by hand to finish this off into a beautiful bespoke coat. And yes, we have a lot of cutting to do. For most proper tailors who actually make things, the last month before these trips to the United States, which lots of us do, are always very, very hectic and busy. But notice one thing, I'm not complaining. We're not complaining, are we? None of us are complaining. Because to have the benefit of plenty of work is a real privilege for which we're extremely grateful for. So before we go to the US, I shall come back and we'll have a bit of a recap on things, and it might be a little bit calmer just before we depart, but I hope you've enjoyed the insight. I hope you've enjoyed a YouTube video which we haven't put up for a long while. Anyway, thanks for dropping in. Do like and share, and I'll see you soon. All it shows